How to make money on YouTube without making videos yourself from scratch. This is part 2 of the tutorial. Check in the description for part 1. How to make cash on YouTube besides making videos. There are instances when you open YouTube, you see videos with peculiar views, imply splendid, terrific, excessive views. And you surprise how these YouTubers made such videos. A question: how can I make such a video? Answer: in this YouTube tutorial, we are to see how to re-upload such content material legally, without getting a copyright strike. Stay on till the end and study the skills. Let us take the instance of this video. 8 simple exercise to lose love handles without gym. As you can see, this video has over 35 million views. You understand YouTube can pay between $1 and $20 per 1,000 views. So selecting the lowest $3, 35 million divided viaduct 1,000, gives 35,000. 35,000 multiplied by $3, gives $105,000. Just from one video. However, this video can be paid even $15 per 1,000 views. So make your math. Subscribe, like and share for extra notifications. This is part 2 of the tutorial. Check in the description for part 1. Note: all websites I'm going to be using are free and will be included in the description box. So stay on till the end. To re-upload such a video: number 1. Copy the title of the video and paste it into Google search, as you can. After searching, copy and paste the notes into grammarly.com for corrections of grammar. Number 2, copy and paste the notes to rewritertools.com. Most advanced online rewrite tools. Paraphrase generator. Click article rewriter and then rewrite the article. Number 3, copy and paste the article back to grammarly.com for corrections of grammar and editing the article. Add all sorts of information regarding your channel and promotions, so you can make the voice recording if you want. However, if you can't, don't worry. Number 4, copy bit by bit and paste the article to this text-to-speech. Free online text-to-speech, TTS, service with natural-sounding voices. Convert any English text into an MP3 audio file and play it on your PC or iPod. Select the language. Select the speed and also select the voice. Then create an audio file and download your MP3 by right-clicking and then click Save Link as or Save Target.
Seven simple exercises you can do to lose the love handles without the gym. Despite their cool name, there's nothing properly about the unpleasant facts that accumulate on the facets of the abdomen. Because of its location, most humans anticipate that a regular ab workout will blast them away. But that's no longer true. You want workouts that in particular goal the love handles to get rid of them. These workout routines are designed to particularly goal the place on the aspects of your abdomen. Number 1. Wood choppers. Starting position, stand upright with your legs hip-width apart. Put the weight of your physique on your left leg and the use of fiat arms raise a dumbbell through your left shoulder. Steps. Twist each of your arms to make a cutting motion, down towards your proper hip. Allow your foot and knees to pivot with a twist.
Number 5. Google search Pexels video. The best free stock photos videos shared by talented creators. Free for commercial use, no attribution required. Then now we have the audio and the video clips. So now we have the audio and the video clips. Let's first create the YouTube thumbnail. Number 6. Create the YouTube thumbnail. First and foremost, Google search Canva, login and click the first site. Search for YouTube thumbnail in the Canva search bar. Click Create a black YouTube thumbnail. So go to Google search. Since our article is about weight loss, Google search weight loss as you can see. Then click Images. After that, click Tools. Then after, click Usage Rights. And then, click Creative Commons Licenses. Note, all these images under Creative Commons licenses are free for commercial use. No attributions required. All these images are provided by Google Search, and Google Search is the owner of YouTube. Then choose an image that fits your YouTube thumbnail. Save the image and then upload it to Canva. Add some text to make it match the YouTube video. Once you are done with the YouTube thumbnail, download it and it to the files. Number 7. Google Shortcut. Shortcut is a free, open source, cross-platform video editor. Click to download. Download and install. To begin the video editor.